Today, Carmel, California, installed a new BFT Wi-Fi Predator with digital keypad. Install these new entry gates here. Used to be a set of swing gates. I'll walk in front of the infrared here. We'll close the gate again for you. Customers used to have a set of swing gates that didn't work too well. Want a set of slide gates, so came up a concept and a nice gate idea for him. And here we have it here. Nice slide gate with LiftMaster's CSL 24U. Even those have safety monitoring there. Look at the quality of our work. Welds, craftsmanship. There's top guide rollers. Open the gate again for you. And then we'll do is we're going to the next gate. We did two here on this property. He had two pairs of swing gates that were just no good. So I'm going to go over to the other set of gates and take a video of that now. Okay, here we are, the second gate on this property. We installed a free exit loop so the vehicles could exit. I'm going to open the gate here for you. You notice we had to remove a lot of earth here. We built the retaining wall for the slide gate to slide back into the property. This was all at one time dirt. However, with the slide gate, we need to make some space. So built this retaining wall all the way down to the property line there. And the gate's going to close now. Just another awesome installation and another satisfied customer here in Carmel, California. For any of your gate needs, give West Coast Door and Gate a call today. And there it is.